Every day, millions of New Yorkers and Americans ride the train. Green Bronx Machine has a bold new idea. Subway farm to subway train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Right, left, right, left, right, left. Layla, you are good at this. Plants are not gonna bite you, don't be afraid. Wow, Sophia, look what I've got for you. 1, 2, make it rain tomatoes! Make it rain tomatoes! Beautiful!
Say hello. Hi, my name is Charlie Cullen. I'm one of the radio guys here at Bloomberg, and I spend my day in that studio right over there. Big warm welcome to Bloomberg. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks.
I love the bow ties, and you know what? I love the fact that they're green bow ties, which is what you guys are all about. Show of hands, how many of you ride the New York City subway system? Everybody rides the subways? Tell me if this sounds familiar. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. You're looking at him. I'm the guy who does the voice for the New York City subway system.
Now this is a kitchen.
This is exciting. Are we ready to cook? Get our produce out. Arugula and microgreens.
That's great.
Teamwork is very, very important. What's some of your favorite things to cook? Jalapeno peppers, you like spicy things, huh?
I am marveling at your nice food.
This is a salad that's made with everything you guys bought in. Everyone's gonna get a little bit of everything that they've grown and brought. You're gonna eat all this today? Yeah, maybe.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.